Welcome to Singapore! And hello guys, this is Bushang 18 once again. And dito tayo ngayon guys sa place na to na kung saan together with my first apo. Introducing my first apo guys. She is Yesha from Korea, and it's her first time na mag-travel alone. So pinayagan siya ng kanyang mama para kami ay magkita-kita. So ako naman, it's part of my 1 month vacation, and from Philippines ako din ay pumunta dito sa Singapore with my another 3 pamangkin. So, yung isa is nagwo-work talaga dito sa Singapore. So, visit namin siya. So, heto kami guys. Heto kami. Paano namin ginamit, paano namin enjoy yung aming 6-day stay dito sa Singapore. So, this is the part 1. So, talagang kami ay sinurprise nitong aking first apo kasi hindi namin alam na she will be with us on this vacation. So nakakatuwa, diba guys? So for more adventure, for more experiences together with my pamangkin and apo, so check it out, check it out. Thank you so much for being here at Bushang 18. So come on, come on, come on, come on. What's up, what's up? Samahan niyo ko.
What's up guys? This is Bushang 18 with my apo. So this is guys, how's the feeling?
So enjoying.
Yeah, no, even we will spend our whole day here, no? Yeah. So, guys, it is a raining day here, so our weather forecast for today is whole day rain. Oh my god! So we try to enjoy our day, diba? But it is kuru-kuru guys, dalawa lang.
So what? La is so sexy.
Oh my god!
S-E-X-Y.
Oh my god! It's so cold. Rain, rain, rain. Oh my gosh, rain, go away. And Apo and Lola wants to play. So, enough the rain. But of course, we will enjoy kahit mag-rain. Rain ka lang. We are Lola and Apo. What's up, what's up? Bunga lagi.
Ay, namin. Ako nang gusto ni mami ko.
O, diba? Mamaya ulit. Ayan, so ano lang natin, ipapalis natin. Kuya Hale, please charge! We can't go out. We're just here, we'll just play our day here. So, this is our day, guys. Kanina kurog ako.
Okay.
Ano si Cheche? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Diba? I like it so much. You have a lot of capture.
Gusto ko ma-float naman. Bakit ba ito kapalubangin? Pero ito lang kung hindi ko ano food ko.
How's your vacation here in Singapore?
I'm very enjoying.
Oh my God!
Successful success.
What you like most?
Some of this moment.
Nothing to do, just enjoy this moment. Sana. How about our walking yesterday?
It was tiring, pero
Masaya din, no? But this is the best one.
yeah. it was my wish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
To swing whole day?
Yeah.
And whole night? Oh my gosh. Wish of Yesha. Check. Check. Check.
Check, check, check.
Grabe. Iba talaga pag ang wish na check, 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 no?
Tama.
Tama.
May tama ka.
Ay, tama, tama.
Ano na muna natin i-rest?
What dance you? Zumba, this is Zumba. Like this.
This one's perfect. Perfect.
We'll go closer, closer, closer.
Si Mami ko.
Oh my God, I'm so sexy!
It's so sassy.
Oo.
Nag-walking.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Ayan. So, ayan. Saan ka dyan? Dyan. Oh, diba? With matching. Ano pa yan? Diba? At since anong ganda, guys, ha? So, we are here. Ayun, guys. Enjoy lang kami ng aming place.
So, yan yung enjoy namin na, na background namin while nagsiswimming here. Diba? Oh, sa likod! Ayan. And you can do, gym. May gym dyan sa likod, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. And so, diba? Cute. Cute. Busyang 18! So guys, we are here to say thank you to all our sponsors!
Thank you!
Thank you so much my sponsor, Hill Friends Jen! Aro, what's up? What's up? Thank you so much for inviting us here. Kaya, ang aming wish is na check. Diba? Oh, yeah, thank you, our principal sponsor.
Like and subscribe to Mommy Hanyang.
I would like also to thank my top. Look at this. Thank you to my sponsor. Okay. Yeah. The sponsor of my top, like this one. Okay. You know? You should know. You should know. Yeah, you will check, huh? Okay. So it is UK. Ganon, yeah. So nice sponsor, no? Well, let's just, so, SEXY. So this is it, guys. So thank you so much. Thanks to your mom for allowing you to have a tour. Even you're alone. Oh my gosh, congratulations.
Thank you, Mom.
You made it. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. See you in our next vlogs. And kung ano pa yung mai-share namin sa inyo. So, God bless us all. This is Busyang 18 saying that. Just try to balance our life. Just stay simple. Oh, beautiful. Healthy. And yeah. God bless us all.